Now, let's do something else. I got it. Here we go. Here's how to open a movie. We're not doing that. Here's what we're gonna do.
I'm going to destroy it. You ready to train? Which should I wear to Grom? This one says witch. This one says I'm an otter with a dark side.
Beneath the skin, we are already one.
You wanna hear my worst nightmare?
Stop! What are you afraid of, Luce? No! Luce, we're literally out of time.
I believe in self-assertion, destiny, or
Check this out! 2 warriors battling to the death!
KSI is looking to come inside and land that big overhand.
Regret.
I could be your queen.
No. Oh, I don't think so. I got it. Here we go.
So, who did you want to queen? Oh, you. Fuck.
I believe in self-assertion.
Well then, if that's settled, may I have this dance?
Let's go, run it again. Can't you see now? Illusions.